Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by targeting high-intent searches. Choose 3 5-niche audiences and map buying keywords. Once done, design 5 pillar pins per affiliate product: tutorial, review, list, comparison, and deal, so you cover intent stages. Make sure your account is Pinterest business, claim your website, enable rich pins, and install the Pinterest tag for tracking conversions. You'll see why diversity and tracking matter. They let you test creatives, identify winners, and feed optimization data back into fresh content quickly. Next, scale by systematizing content and funnels. Group keywords into clusters and schedule 10-15 pins weekly for each cluster to gain momentum. Then drive traffic to minimal landing pages that include affiliate disclosure and an email capture with a simple lead magnet. This converts cold clicks into repeat buyers. Use UTM links and Pinterest analytics to measure cost per action and pinpoint winning angles. Once you see patterns, double down on top-performing creatives and pause underperformers to maximize. Finally, optimize and automate to maintain growth. /B test 3 creatives, 2 descriptions, and 1 clear CTA for each winning pin, then automate scheduling and reporting with a tool or a VA to free up your time. Make sure to refresh creatives before performance drops and iterate on copy based on analytics. If growth stalls, troubleshoot calmly. Verify Pinterest tag and UTMs, test for creative fatigue. Reevaluate keyword trends and speed up the landing page. Fix those 4, and performance usually recovers quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.